Fans, what's up? Welcome back to a new video and a new vlog. Today is Tuesday, so we are well into this week, getting into the swing of things since being gone last week, and honestly it's been pretty good. Kind of a slow week, which is nice, just to kind of ease back into things. There isn't too much going on this week, which I am not mad at. This weekend there's a couple things happening. We are going out of town again next week. I am going with my husband this time, and I'm meeting my parents, so pretty excited about that. So this week is going to just kind of be recovering from Austin, prepping for the next trip, and just getting things together, doing laundry, just a bunch of, you know, regular stuff. But I did want to start out with the haul. I did get a couple orders in recently while I was gone. I placed an order for the 21 Days of Beauty with Ulta. Honestly, I didn't get too much. There wasn't a bunch of things that I saw on there that I wanted or needed for myself. I picked up a couple of the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Sprays. This was on sale one of the days, so I got a couple of these. And then I also got a Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia. They freaking sent me the wrong shade, so I'm gonna have to take this in to exchange it. They sent me blonde, and I definitely did not order blonde. So that's that. So next I got an order from D&D. They were having a sale, of course. That's the only time that I make my gel purchases with them, is when they have sales. And this was like a Labor Day sale. They had 40% off. So D&D, they send like these little packages, which I just recycle because I don't use these. But I'll go through some of the shades that I got. These are mostly, they're kind of like my fall. This is like my fall haul, my fall nail haul. So I did get a bunch of colors. I'm super excited. I'm just gonna show you guys. This one is called Winter Champagne, like a really pretty sparkly gold. So of course this is a good seasonal color. Light Macaw. I hope I said that right. This looks like it's yeah, like a really pretty brown burgundy. Wow. I got 17 new colors, so I'm really excited. Fun fall and winter manicures to come. That's it for this haul. I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later on.
What's going on, guys? So I'm here about to do this unboxing. I ordered the speaker because on the side I do DJing gigs, so I'm actually doing a wedding in a few weeks, so. So yes, 2,000 watts, has Bluetooth audio, smart stereo, built-in mixer. I needed this not only for DJing, but for my record player.
It's Wednesday, my late start day. You guys know I make my own pumpkin spice sauce. Well, this time around, it came out kind of weird. Like, it's kind of chunky, a little thick. I don't have like a sifter, so I'm thinking that's probably what I need. But in the meantime, I have this batch, and I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm gonna try something. Let's see if it works. Okay, so here it is. I don't know if you can tell that it's like kind of chunky. I'm putting it into my mini blender here. I'm gonna try to blend it up and see if that like helps smoothen it. I also do want it to be like a little foamy, you know. I'm gonna put some of this. If we can get like a foam consistency, that would be cool. Just a shot of that. This is how it looks. It didn't really get foamy like I was hoping it would. It does look smoother. I'm gonna try it with my coffee and see how it works. I add a splash of unsweetened milk on the top. I don't add any additional sweeteners or creamer because the cold foam, the pumpkin sauce had all of the sweetness that I need. So I love how it's like foamy at the top. but it's good. Cheers, friends. Okay, just got glam, did my makeup, refreshed my hair a little bit. I really like this glam. It's just like a nice bronzy, shimmery eye, like with a little bit of a smoky lash line. So it's about to be 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and get logged in for work. Can't see too much else happening today, so I'll check in with you guys either later on or tomorrow. Hi friends, it is Thursday. I'm going to make myself a smoothie. Good morning. Today's Friday. It's finally Friday. It kind of feels like this week went by pretty slow, but it was a pretty mellow week, so I have no complaints. Enjoying my coffee as always. I'm just getting some work done. As far as this weekend, we do have a little date night planned tonight. We're just getting out of the house, gonna enjoy the fall weather. So we're gonna check out a football game. It's actually gonna be a really big football game. It's just a whole football culture here. The high school game that we're going to is gonna be a really big matchup, like a huge rival type football game. So I'm pretty excited. We'll bring you guys along, hanging out, doing some stuff. So whatever happens, I'll bring you guys along. Yes, I'm gonna get back into my work day, so I'll check in with you guys a little bit later on.
What's going on, guys? You know who it is. We're out and about on a Friday. We're actually going to catch a football game, but before the football game, so we're about to try this place called Cosmel Grill. If I walk in, I don't see anybody Hispanic in there, then we're out. First stop of the night before we check out this game, which should be a pretty good game. I think it's like the game of the week because one of the teams, they're like #1 in the state. The other one is like #2 in the state. So it should be pretty good.
It looks pretty safe, pretty authentic. So we got some margaritas.
Cheers. It's really good. Tastes just like mangoes.
I got lime. Ooh. Very strong. You guys know we don't normally drink alcohol, so like, at least for me, when I do, it's like really strong. Oh my god, this is so much food. Woo. Lord.
And these drinks are strong.
So full.
It was real good. Really good.
This is the most extravagant high school I've ever seen in my life. Like, that looks like a private college. Wow, I'm blown away. So we just arrived. There are cars parked like up on grass patches and stuff, so it's definitely very packed. I hope that we were able to find parking. The game, I think, just started at 7, so we probably made the mistake of coming a little bit late. I'm a little overwhelmed, so we'll check in a bit. Hi friends, we just got out of the game. Pretty impressed, I cannot lie. That stadium was amazing. The energy was crazy. It was overall a pretty good experience. I'm glad we came because we almost didn't. But I had a good time. It's like 60 degrees outside, so it's like perfect football fall weather. Did you have fun, babe?
It was a lot of fun. Great high school football in the South. It's definitely a lot different since I graduated. But yeah, it's like a whole thing. I mean, they got freaking jumbotrons and it's pretty crazy actually. But it was nice.
We definitely should have gotten here much earlier because for like the first half we had to stand. So lesson learned, if and when we come to another game, we're coming early. Especially this school. They're like 3-time champions in the last 3 years. So this is probably like one of the top schools in the state. We are just headed home now. We tried to beat the traffic. So I'll check in with you guys either later tonight or tomorrow morning. Morning, friends. It is Saturday. We are on our way to take the boys to get some routine vaccines.
And they are very happy about it.
They have no idea where we're
Jumpy.
going, but so it's gonna be a day outside for us. It's really nice. We're just gonna get out and enjoy this weather.
Perfect weather today.
Hi, friends. So update. I got me some Starbucks. My husband, he likes Starbucks, but he likes the local coffee shops better. I love the local coffee shops. I've said before that we prefer local shops over like Starbucks. Something about the seasonal time, Starbucks just has me in a freaking chokehold. Until someone can make better pumpkin cold foam like Starbucks in the fall is, I can't help it. I just can't help it. So anyways, we stopped at this coffee shop. I can't take you boys anywhere. Your dad is coming back. This is Polo. He's the baby. You're just a baby. And then Rocco's back here over my shoulder. We're going to take them to a dog park, and then we're going to go visit my husband's grandparents for a little bit. It's pretty nice. It's like 70 degrees. Freaking happy. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys throughout this day. It should be a good Sunday. Oh, a good Saturday. I'm sure we're gonna get home in time to watch some college football. We're going out of town this coming week for a couple days, so I'm gonna be packing, getting my stuff together. I haven't even really unpacked from Austin, so I gotta unpack that, repack, and just kind of get things together. And this is Rocco, my boys. I love my boys. Look at the brothers right there. Check in with you guys when we get to the park. Look at my babies. Made it to the dog park. We're just walking in. Of course, the boys have to smell every little thing. And so I'm just coming on here to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed just like a couple random days hanging out with us. It was technically, no, it wasn't a weekend because there were a couple weekdays in there. If you guys enjoyed hanging out with us, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below. I will have more videos coming soon. I'm done with all my traveling for now, so I'm finally able to get caught up on my editing and get some more videos up. Stay tuned for some more vlogs, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon in another one. Bye!